Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, here to guide you through another enlightening journey into the world of Stoic living. Today, we're tackling a subtle yet formidable adversary, self-deception. As we explore this topic, we'll draw from the timeless wisdom shared in Chapter 74, titled Self-Deception, Our Enemy. The Stoic quote for today resonates with profound truth. To master the sciences, Zeno said, the most undesirable quality is self-conceit. These words from Diogenes Laertius remind us that self-deception isn't merely an irritating personality trait, it actively hinders our growth and learning. It's an internal blockade that we must dismantle for our personal and professional advancement. You see, self-deception and grandiosity are insidious. They are not only the enemies of progress, but also repel and annoy those around us. It's easier to shut the door on valuable feedback and constructive criticism when we're living under the illusion of our own perfection. Epictetus hit the nail on the head when he said, "It's impossible for a person to begin to learn what they think they already know." The logic is simple, yet profound. If we believe we've already achieved mastery, how can we improve? How can we learn, grow, or earn genuine respect? We end up trapped in a cycle of stagnation, devoid of the transformative experiences that help mold our character. Let's dive deeper into why self-deception is so detrimental. Our ego can be charmingly deceptive, convincing us that we are sage-knowing, all-accomplished beings. This grandiose view of ourselves blinds us to the reality of our flaws and the potential for growth. It becomes a lens of distortion, preventing us from seeing clearly, from recognizing the gaps in our knowledge and skills. The ego, thus, stands as a sworn enemy against our ability to evolve and reach our aspirations. To challenge our ego effectively, we need to confront it with the same hostility and scorn that it directs at us. Yes, you hear me right. We need to question our self-assumptions, poke holes in our self-created narratives of grandeur, and allow ourselves to be vulnerable enough to admit that we don't have all the answers. This might seem daunting, but the rewards are immense. Think of self-deception as a wall. It's thick, obstinate, and seemingly insurmountable. But when we face it head-on, recognizing it for what it is, we begin to chip away at its foundation. Self-awareness becomes our chisel, breaking down the ego's barrier, brick by brick. This practice of humility isn't about diminishing our self-worth, it's about clearing the path for genuine development and deeper self-respect. Let's put this into practical terms. How do you know if self-deception is at play in your life? Pay attention to your reactions to criticism. Are you dismissive or defensive? Do you tend to disregard feedback, believing others just don't understand your genius? When faced with a new challenge, do you approach it with an open mind or with the conceit of already knowing it all? These are the signs that self-deception might be lurking in the shadows. To counter this, I challenge you to adopt a learner's mindset. Be curious, ask questions. When receiving feedback, instead of pushing it away, embrace it as a tool for growth. Reflect deeply on your shortcomings and seek ways to improve. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. By adopting humility, you keep the door open to endless opportunities for learning and improvement. In these 24 hours, let's make a conscious effort to practice humility. Let's keep our egos in check, remain open to new ideas, and view feedback as a gift rather than a threat. Embrace the journey of growth and be willing to confront your self-deceptions with courage and honesty. Thank you for joining me today. Let's continue this path of discovery together, facing our inner enemies with the strength and wisdom of the Stoics. If you found value in today's discussion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more Stoic insights. Until next time, stay resilient, stay disciplined, and above all, stay calm.